Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are continuing the chapter 13 ways to multiply and divide. So last day Sudeep sir already told about Bella's method to multiply. Today I am just solving some word problems by using Bella's method. So come to the first problem. Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party dates. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all. So you can see here Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. So for one day he has to be paid 165. So for 28 days, how much money will he get in all? So amount to be paid to Shantaram for one day rupees 165. So total number of days 28 days. So total amount of money he will get in all rupees 165 into 28. So we have done by Bella's method 165 into 28. So 28 is like 20 plus 8. So first of all we have to multiply by 8. Then we have to multiply by 20. So in all we get 4620. So total amount of money Shantaram will get rupees 4620. First of all here I have done the multiplication by 8 first. 165 into 8, that is 1320. Then by 20, that is 3300. Now adding these two I get 4620. So this is the first problem. Now come to the next part. First problem, second part. If he is called for all days of the year, how much salary will he get? So we know that for 1 year means 365 days. So total salary will get in 1 year rupees 365 into 165. So 365 into 165, we have break 165 as 100 plus 60 plus 5. So and by Bella's method I got 60,225. So total salary will get in 1 year rupees 60,225. Now come to the next problem. Problem number 2. If Soha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute, how many times does it beat in 1 hour? If Soha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute, how many times does it beat in 1 hour? So we know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So total heartbeats in 1 hour, that is in 60 minutes, equals to 72 into 60 times. So 72 into 60, we can directly multiply it. 4,320. So total heartbeats in 1 hour 4,320 times. Now problem number 3. A baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in one day. How much milk would the baby blue whale drinks in 8 months? So we know that 1 month, that is 30 days. So 8 months equals to 8 into 30 days, that is 240 days. And the baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in one day. So for 240 days, how much milk the baby blue whale drinks? 240 into 200. That is ultimately 48,000. So the baby blue whale drinks in 8 months 48,000 liters of milk. So students, in this way we can solve the word problems by using the Bella's method. Now here is some homework for you. In what ways we have done? In the same way you can done it. First of all, write all the problems in your copy, then solve it. So here the heading is solve the word problems by using Bella's method. Question number 1. A baby elephant drinks around 12 liters of milk every day. How much milk will it drink in 2 days? 2 years, Number 2. Tulasi and her husband work on Karuna's farm. The government has said that farm workers should be paid at least rupees 71 for 1 day's work. But he pays rupees 55 to Tulasi and rupees 58 to her husband. So problem number A. If Tulasi works for rupees for 49 days, how much money does she get? Problem number B. If her husband works for 42 days, how much money does he get? C. Find the money they earn together. Now problem number 3. Shukhi works on a farm. He is paid rupees 98 for 1 day. If he works for 52 days, how much will he earn? Problem number 4. Haria took a loan to build his house. He has to pay back rupees 2,750 every month for 2 years. How much will he pay back in 2 years? Next, number 5. Ratiram is a milk seller in the city. He sells 13 liters of milk every day at rupees 23 per liter. How much does he earn? So do these word problems homework in your classwork copy.